Yo, what up, what up, what up, what up? Let's go ahead and get to the watch list for the week. Tuesday, May 30th. Again, a shortened week. We have Memorial Day on Monday. Let's hop to it. Unity Software. Unity Software. We're looking at it's already pushed up a little bit. I was really gonna look at it to start potentially reversing here. But we just gotta see. We start pushing back up. We take out the high day, take out this high day. I think would be kind of good to come back to 30.39. Right. So for a quick day trade, yeah, you could take it 50 cents from the high, which was 28.39, up to 28.86. Again, once we could take over that, really look for a close at the end of the day. That should be above that level, then we could take it on up to 30.39. Let's pull up AMD real quick. Simple kind of thing here, just looking for it to actually start reversing. All right, not gonna rush it. We see on the 1 hour that level of support right there. On the 15 minutes, you see it as well. All right, gapping up again. So we got another potential support whenever it does start moving down at 127, where it could just bounce again and keep running. But ultimately, this is something that we know we're going to anticipate. There will be a time when it does come back down and reverse. Might be next earnings, we'll see. But for the case, I'm going to go ahead and make an alert for 127.37, just in case it pulls back down and wants to bounce after closing gap. I'm also going to look at it during the pre-market hour of 9 to 9:30 and find support and resistance on that level. See if I could take puts off a pre-market low. That would be an opportunity for us there. On the flip side, AT&T has been tanking, right? So it's kind of the inverse thing here. Want to see it come back over intraday, start making new highs. It already has made higher lows, but want to see it make new highs. All right, bam. Cool. So once the AT&T come through, push over 1562. Honestly, right here isn't a bad entry for anticipation of that trade, just because your stop loss can be right below that trend line or those recent lows, and we can swing it within a move towards gap fill. All right, and probably take some profits on the move up to retest 1562 or 1569. But ultimately, if we get some time on it, we could just hold it and see if we go ahead and fill gap. If not, stop out with a little loss. No big deal there. Had lots of room. Roblox on the daily. Already gapped up to its high. So we're going to look at taking it up to the high. It already is gathered to the high. You have a big supply level right here where we continuously sell off. If we can break through that, then we can see a move back up to 42. Or we can just see that rejection back down to 39. We continue to trade in this range here. All right, almost done. I got a few more. I might keep them to myself. XLU, this is probably one that I'm feeling the most, I like the most. I feel the most confident about this one. We already got a trend line with the hammer candle coming off the trend line. And we also are looking at just taking out the high. So we can hold above this high, then we can have a nice reversal back to the upside. We haven't made a new high in a pretty good amount of days, right? So a little over a week that we haven't made a new high candle at all. We take out these highs off this hammer candle at the trend line, and we can look at least pushing back up towards 65.30. That'll be about a good little less than $1 move, assuming that we can catch it here and we don't gap up halfway through that candle. So with that being said, y'all go make some money today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hopefully y'all had a great day last week or a great week last week. Have a great one this week as well.